Hey there, everybody. Just wanted to update you on the 1969 Dodge Super Bee, the 2-in-1 kit from Revell that I have been working on here for a little bit. So just a quick update. It's coming along, and it's coming along nicely, let me tell you. Excuse me, I burped as I'm talking into this video. Anyways, enough of my shenanigans. Um, hey, this is a real nice kit, man. I gotta tell you, this thing is popping together really well. Did it Rust-Oleum orange. The rear wheels are AMT drag wheels. Front wheels are actually off the AMT 1950 Chevy pickup truck. I want to do a little thinner wheel up front there, kind of like a drag race thing. I ended up going with the aluminum Steelies. I asked you guys for your opinions, and you guys gave me a lot of great answers, and I really appreciate that. I really appreciate the community in general. I mean, you guys are great. Really appreciate that we could send questions out there and you guys answer it. Big help, big help. Um, so I'm glad I went with this aluminum. I feel if I went with the black, you wouldn't be able to see it with the tires. And if I did do orange, it would just kind of blend together and have just too much orange. Rear decal, this is striping is actually two separate decals. You can actually see right there, didn't quite line up there. Got a little bit of a lip along the edge there, the decal. Didn't want to lay down smoothly, but hey, it's looking good. I had a problem here with the rear lights here. Kind of falling into the kit itself there. And in order to take that out and redo it, I have to take the body off the chassis, and I don't really want to go ahead and do that because that's on here real nicely. The hood fell off. That's on there real nicely. Nothing done underneath. That's all kit parts. Just, a lot of different colors. So the hood is just regular flat black. Engine, man, this thing is sweet. Did it the 2-in-1, obviously, like at the box. But, there we go. Needs some touch-up paints. Let me get my little pointer thing here. Tweezers. Did do some touch-ups around the edge of the battery there. Got to touch up the orange for that messed up. Top of the radiator needs some flat black there. But this thing goes together really nicely, though. Goes together real nicely. Also, where the grill was on the tree, it kind of left some marks there. I want to get those off since you take the hood off. You're going to see that anyways. These Dodge decals, man. I got these off the Revell 68 Dodge Dart kit. Thought those were cool. Put that on the back as well. So, yeah, this bad boy's coming along. Interior's flat tan testers with silver, black, and some brown door panels. Nothing fancy. Not really see the interior too much anyways. But yeah, this guy's coming along really nicely. I'm really enjoying this. This one should be done in the next couple days. Put this hood back on. Should be done in the next couple days here. Ooh, that's good. And didn't done any work to the 50 Oldsmobile. Kind of got pushed to the side here a little bit for this bad boy. Hey, I want to say a big thank you to everybody in the community. I have over 500 subscribers. I've been doing this for a year and 3 months with the models. I got a lot of different, try to have a lot of different content between car shows and places I've gone and the models. And I'd like to get back to the guitar recording again, put that on here. But I want to say thank you to everybody. I've had a lot of fun doing these videos. Gives a different, what's the word I'm looking for? I guess different dynamic to the models. To the model building. I really appreciate that. And I appreciate you guys watching, the suggestions, able to talk to you guys. And I really enjoy watching your guys' videos. I feel like I'm always behind on your guys' videos. I feel like sometimes when I watch somebody's video, I like end up binge watching a week's worth of stuff from you because, I get caught behind. But hey, I really appreciate everybody. This has been a lot of fun being on here. And I don't want to take that for granted. I don't want you guys to think that I take you guys for granted. This has been a lot of fun being on here. So, again, this was just a quick update on the Super Bee. I hope to finish it here in the next couple days and have a final for you guys on this one. And hopefully get working on the Oldsmobile again. And, hey, wherever you're at, I say this every time, but I truthfully mean it. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope things are going okay for you. And I wish you all the best. That's Until I talk to you next time, I'll see you around.